Welcome back. This episode, we will be building part 5-28 rear cylinder cover piston rod G-Land for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode, we're going to build part 5-28, the rear cylinder cover piston rod G-Land for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Open up part MMGS. We shall go to front plane. Then we shall start on a cylinder. Do 2 cylinders, gonna be 18 mil. The other one will be 11, not 1, 11. That's gonna be screwed out to 16. Where are we? Oh, there, 16. Done. Now, we could have done this circle. We're going to do it again, cut out. So we could have done this circle afterwards, but there's multiple ways to do things. So it's normalize, sketch, just zoom out a little bit. There we go. And we want a hexagon, which is this one. Click there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Perfect. That's going to be hexagon on 19. 6. 19. Done. And that's going to extrude out by 6. So feature extrude 6. And done. Perfect. Yep, that's good. Then we want to do this face here. I said this circle we could have done outwards. Normal to sketch. That's going to be extrude cut through all and done. There we go. Either way works. Now we want a thread on this one. Let me just save that first. Okay, I'm going to do a thread on this one. So we're going to go thread. Thread. I've got where thread was. Thread, there we go, thread. It's going to be M18 by 1.5. So we're going to grab that one first. If I remember correctly, that one next. That's going to go all the way through. So up to selection. Nope. Oh, cancel that. Thread. Do that one. Up to selection, there we go. So do that way. And then okay. There you go. That thread should come out. No, it doesn't. Okay, let me do. Let me go Where are we? We go right plane, normalize, sketch, do a construction line from there. Oop. Yeah, that one does that. Oh, start again. Construction line through there. Then we're going to do a gather, thank you. So exit out of that one. Here we go. Well, plane, we want first reference be there, second reference be there, and done. Okay, now if we go to Hole Wizard thread, we start there, finish up to that plane, up to selection, which will be this one, thank you. And that's going to be that plane, and done. There we go. Now the thread cuts through, I believe. Yeah, there's no ridge there like was before. And that plane we can just hide, and that sketch we can hide. And that is the piece done.